What's going on, everyone? So in this video, we're going to be doing a full Moomoo app tutorial video and a review at the same exact time. So I am someone who is pretty much brand new to this app. I've actually only recently downloaded it. I'm not being paid for this video, so it is going to be an honest review based on what is in front of us, as well as a tutorial kind of going over what features you get with this app. And this is a trading app, very similar, I will say, to Webull. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below where you can get signed up and download this app if you would like, and then I'll take you guys through the process of how it works when you sign up. So first off, when you sign up, you're going to get a free stock in the process just for signing up, and the free stock that I actually got was $3.02. Now that's free, that's not depositing $100. Then once you deposit $100, at least as of right now, and they're always changing promotions across a lot of these apps, you're going to get another free stock for doing so. Similar to Webull, where you sign up, deposit $100, you're going to get two free stocks, one for signing up, the second for $100. And at least when I'm filming this video, Webull's doing a promotion where now all you have to do to get the second free stock is deposit $5. So that's where you kind of see, you have varying numbers. Now, some of the biggest perks to the Moomoo trading app is that they have trading hours from 4 a.m. all the way to 8 p.m. Eastern. So full pre-market and full extended hours, full after hours, which is very similar to what Webull offers. Very similar trading hours to Webull. Now, at the exact same time, you're going to get access to level 2 data for free. So for example, I have Apple pulled up right here, and what I can see is that I have the charting feature right in the middle. I can change the charting time frame, 5 days, 1 day. I can change to different candlesticks and what I want to show and whatnot. Now, on the side of that, if I go to the intraday, I'm going to see time and sales. I'm going to see all the orders that are coming through on Apple right now as we speak. Then below that, here we go. Here is level 2. I am going to get access to level 2 quotes, which allows you to see not only the bid price and the ask, it's going to show you below that and above that, which is going to tell you where buyers may be stacking up and where there may be bigger sellers that are stacking up. You can see the size of their orders, and you can see the exact price points that they are looking to either buy or sell, indicated by bids and asks. Now, it's pretty straightforward in terms of how to navigate the app. So if we go back to the first page, you're going to see the quote section right here. You're going to get access to pretty much looking at a bunch of stocks. You can edit watch list. Right now on the top left, we have a watch list selected. If we click on markets, you're going to get access to a lot of similar information to Webull. Now, it's not the exact same, but you're going to get access to a lot of information, strategies, news, things like that we can notice and that we can pay attention to going on across the markets. And then of course, portfolios right here. I can create a portfolio, simulated portfolios, things like that, which is actually kind of fun to do. And you really get access to all those different things. Also, it'll have my position section showing up on that front home page as well. So I can go through that. I can go through a lot of other things and also look at stocks on different exchanges. And then, of course, even the futures section right here, I can click on futures, and I can add different futures that I want to be following and tracking as well. So that's all on the first section right there on the quote section on the bottom left. If I go to trade, here is the trade section. I click on trade. It's going to show me my current account. As you guys can see, I've only signed up and gotten my free stock, which has actually dropped a little bit. So we're sitting at $2.93 in the account. Okay. So from here, I have a lot of options, okay? So we're in my brokerage account right now. I click on that section, and I have full access to everything I pretty much need just like that. I can click on trade. I can go unlock my trade with my trading password, which you'll have to set up when you create your account. You can enter in the stocks you want to trade and trade from right there. Also, as we scroll through, I can get access to things like my transactions, deposits, so I can go and deposit money, deposit funds into here. I'll have all different records and all different things all in one place, all on that brokerage account section, okay? Now, I can click into this and I can get a lot more information in terms of my buying power and my margin and my day trading rules and all that stuff down towards the bottom of my account details, which will be noted right there. If I go back here, outside of my brokerage account, there's a section called trading. From here, again, it's very similar to the trade feature we just talked about. It's the exact same icon. Then there's a paper trading feature. So I click on paper trading, and just like this, I can now get access to paper trading. So now here it is. I have a paper trading account. I can go to US stocks, paper trading, boom. I got $1 million I can start with right there. And just like that, I have access to paper trading. I click on trade and I can go in and I can start entering price points. I can look for symbols. For example, if I want to pull up NEO, I can look at NEO right here. I can refresh that. We got NEO pulled up. We currently have the bid and the ask. We have the quantity that I want to buy, and I can buy a NEO right like that with my paper trading account. So that's how you find paper trading from the home page. I go back a little bit. There you go. And then that is essentially the basics when it comes down to that feature. The next feature is going to be the news section, which you're going to get a lot of headlines and different things. I can actually go into my watch list. If I build out a watch list, I can get access to that. Things like calendar settings. You can get important economic data, things like earnings reports and things like that, which are very helpful. And then there's even an Express News where you can get a bunch of headlines read off to you pretty quickly. And there's even a topic section where I can actually go into things like analyst ratings. I can go into updates and different things that I want to kind of focus on. For example, they have ARK Invest ETFs. ARK is a topic that you can follow and watch closely. Across the bottom, there's a section called Moo. So right here, what we have access to is we have a lot of, I guess, custom information from the Moomoo app. And so they're actually the ticker symbol for the company essentially that owns this platform is FUTU. You can actually trade them on the US exchanges if you were interested. But here it's where they kind of customize things. They customize streams and hot stocks and different news features and their own picks. And they have a lot of different things all set up right there in one place. Even a lot of educational things in the guide, the features, and all of that section. So if you want to dive further into that, it's definitely there for you. They even have a section on courses. So you can actually go into all courses and look at this right here inside of the app. You can go into different trending courses. You can go into beginner courses and you can click on the US starter guide. And so just like this, you can get access to all the information you need on how to do all of these things. Order types, transferring stocks, placing orders, depositing, withdrawing, all that stuff. So the great thing about this is that it makes it pretty easy. If you have any questions, to just look into the app, go into the courses section, go into the different tabs, and just explore for yourself to figure out kind of what works best for you, what questions you have, and if you have any questions and things you want to learn more about. For example, there's even sections on crypto here if you want to learn more about crypto. I would definitely recommend that, okay? Then after that, there's a notification section as well, and then your account section over on the right-hand side. And just like that, we're pretty much here. There's a customer service section. I click on that button right there, and I can type in my issue, and I can get access to customer service just like that. If I want to transfer stocks, if I want to change different things, that'll be accessed here as well. Also, there's the paper trading feature as well on this section. So if you click on the bottom right, the Me tab, click on paper trading, and then you'll be put back into your paper trading account just like that. So there's a couple different ways to access things like the paper trading feature, the account feature, and all that different stuff, the trading features. So definitely worthwhile to check out. I will say when it comes down to the usability and actually using this app, it has a very, very similar feel to Webull in a sense. Okay, now Webull's app, I would say visually looks a little more appealing color scheme wise and whatnot. Now, of course, Webull has been out for a little bit longer in terms of their popularity. So Webull kind of has the edge there, but it's pretty much very, very similar in terms of what they offer here on Moomoo compared to Webull. So what I would personally recommend if you're someone looking to get into trading stocks, I would recommend this brokerage over a Robinhood because you're going to have more trading hours access. There's also the aspect of Chinese companies, whereas you have these companies, for example, Webull and Moomoo are technically Chinese companies. Now, they have headquarters and offices in the US, but because they're Chinese companies, you're going to have a lot of people that are going to be very fearful of that. And I completely understand that you're scared of information. I'm not here to tell you what to do by any means. But if you're someone who can get past that fear, because I'm sure I'll get comments over time, if you can get past that fear, this would not be a bad brokerage account to open up to split your money in. For example, let's say you had $1,000 and you want to learn how to day trade and you want to day trade stocks. Well, you're only going to get 3 day trades per 5 trading days on a margin account with Moomoo, with Webull, with Robinhood. So let's say those are your 3 brokerage accounts. I would probably nix Robinhood, maybe go with like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, right? But if you wanted to get access to completely free trading, not have to worry about commissions or any of that stuff, Webull, Moomoo, TD Ameritrade are going to be just fine. But now I can split my $1,000 across those 3 accounts and I'll be able to day trade 3 times on each of those accounts. So it's definitely a great tool to add to your belt. It's another account, another brokerage to start using. I would recommend it for that purpose. Personally, myself, I'm someone who actively uses Webull. That is the brokerage that I like to use a lot as of right now. It's something I'm more familiar with, but Moomoo is very, very similar. So definitely not discouraging it. Definitely something that is worthwhile. It's worth taking a look at, and I'm not getting paid to make this video. I will, though, get a free stock if you sign up with the link down below, where you can get access to free stocks when you sign up and create your account and then deposit $100. I'll get a free stock as well. By no means do you have to, but I really appreciate it if you do use the link, as it did take some time to put together this video. I appreciate you guys for tuning on in. Leave any questions down below. I'm going to make more videos on this app detailing different aspects because there's a lot to uncover. But here's kind of my review, my brief overview, my tutorial for this app, initially going over a lot of the features. Definitely check it out. And of course, leave any questions down below and we'll talk about that more in detail. We'll definitely do some examples, some live paper trading and stuff like that, so you guys can see how all those features are used in future videos. So stay tuned to the channel, as well as our Moomoo playlist on the channel. As we build out more videos, we'll be adding to that playlist over time. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.